I am a Carla with Mindfully Carly. Some of you know me as Carla, some of you know as Carly. I'm good either way. So my main focus is meditation, teaching people how to relax, de-stress, kind of quiet the mind chatter. Chair yoga is a very modified version, obviously, of yoga. Um, the ones that we'll go through today are really more just things you could do at your desk, whether you're at home working or, and it doesn't have to be a desk. You could certainly sit. I'm sitting in actually a folding chair, but you could sit in any chair that you can sit comfortably where you can put your feet on the floor. So if you have to move forward in your seat when we get started, please do that. Do the exercises to the best of your ability. Obviously, if there's something that's causing you pain or you have issues, please either just sit and watch or just modify and do them. They're all very slow, cautiously done movements, but just to be, I just want to put that out there. This isn't strenuous stuff. It's just to kind of get your body moving as we sit too much with all of our digital technology. So I'm going to walk you through some chair yoga, and we'll kind of work with the head all the way down to the toes. And then we're going to do, like she said before, some breath work, relaxation, and a small meditation. So if you guys want to go ahead and get comfortable, either silence your cell phones or just put them on vibrate, just so that you're not distracted. Because once we get into this, you're going to start to close your eyes and relax, and you don't want to be distracted if you can. I'm going to try my best to let you see all the body parts. You can sort of see my feet. So, so for now, I'm going to sit just a little bit forward on the chair, feet flat on the ground and my hands in my lap. And just for this short segment, I want you to go ahead and close your eyes. So I want you to close your eyes and begin to breathe in through the nose and out through your mouth. Everyone hear me okay? I didn't think to ask that before we got started. So breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. One last time, in through the nose, out through the mouth. And now just begin to breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. Just kind of find the rhythm of your breath as you begin to slow down and breathe. And just allow this time for yourself to be present in this moment, feeling supported by the chair and the floor. And just breathe. Breathing in and breathing out. And for this chair yoga portion, I want you to come up with an intention for your practice. It could be something as, my intention is happiness or relaxation, peace, joy, whatever pops into your head. It doesn't have to be any of those. Just go with something that's your intention for this practice. Tuck that in the back of your mind, and we will go back to that a little later at the end. All right, so let's go ahead and open our eyes. We're going to start doing some real basic stuff. The first one is shoulder shrugs, and we'll be doing approximately 10 to 12 of each of these. So, and like I said, once again, if something hurts you, don't do it or modify it. So shoulder shrugs are easy. You're just literally going to bring your shoulders like you're going up into your ear and drop them slowly back down. The key is to remember to inhale and exhale as you're doing these exercises. So let's do that again. Just keep going. This will be 3. Bring your shoulders to your ears and drop them right back into the, place they should go. Number 5. Let's do 2 more. All right, good job, guys. Okay, the next one's going to be shoulder rolls. So we're just going to roll forward with our shoulders. So you're just going to do like this, roll your shoulders up. Doesn't have to be as dramatic as I'm moving my arms. I'm just doing it to show you. So let's do 10 of those. So just nice shoulder rolls. Just do them gently, comfortably for yourself. These are the parts of our body that get really stiff working on the computer so much. All right, let's do 4 more. All right. So now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to go back. So the shoulder blades are actually coming back together as we push our shoulders and roll them back. You'll feel your shoulder blades kind of pushing back together. So just nice and slow, inhaling and exhaling. These are really exercises you could do just about anywhere. Just don't forget to breathe. All right, let's do 4 more. All right, good job, guys. Okay, the next one we're going to do is just called head tilts and twists. So basically all you're going to do is sit forward and look straight ahead and just take an inhale in and an exhale out. Then I want you to turn your head to the right and gently inhale in and inhale out. And bring your head back to center and inhale in, exhale out. And now turn to the left and inhale, exhale, and back to center. Inhaling again and exhaling out. And now take your head and look all the way up to the ceiling as comfortably as you can with your neck. And just gaze up at the ceiling. Inhaling in, exhale out, and back to center. Breathing in and breathing out. And now drop your neck all the way down as if your chin is going to touch your chest to as comfortable as you can. Breathing in and breathing out. Go back to center. Those are some simple ways just to stretch out the neck. All right, so the next one we're going to do is just arms straight out, kind of level with your chest. And all you're going to do is flex your wrists up and put your hands back down. Just a way to kind of stretch out the hand and the fingers as we overuse them. And if your hands are up, if your arms are up too high, you can drop them a little lower if it's more comfortable. Just to what level? All right, let's do 6 more of that. So inhale and exhale down. Last one. All right, and drop your hands back down to your laps. The next one are just going to be wrist rolls. Those are going to be pretty easy. So you could just keep your elbows by your waist or whatever's comfortable. You're just gonna make a comfortable fist, and you're just gonna gently roll your wrist in one direction. Just as comfortably as you can. Don't hold them tight. All right, let's do 7 more of these. Don't forget to breathe. All right, now we just want to go the other direction. This one's a little bit harder for me for some reason, but just the other way if you can. Nice gentle rolls. Don't do anything that hurts. Breathing in, and exhaling out. Let's do 5 more. All right, last one. All right, hands back down in your lap. Let's take a deep breath in. And exhale out. All right, we're gonna just do shoulder swings. So very basic. Some people call them airplanes. You're just gonna drop your hands by your side and you're just gonna gently swing them up, kind of at a bit of angle, and just gently drop them back down. It's very simple, just to inhale and exhale down. Forget to breathe in, breathe out. Just gentle swings. All right, let's do 4 more. All right. So hands back in your lap. We're going to do a half moon. So you're just going to raise your arms up and grab one wrist with one of your hands, doesn't matter which direction. And I'm just going to turn to the right. Just not turn, but just bend a little to the right. Yeah, you don't have to go far. And then just bring it back up to the center. And then just twist to the other side. Don't forget to breathe. And stretches out the obliques, the side of the waist and the chest. All right, now just grab the other hand with your other wrist. Kind of the same motion. So I'm going to grab my left hand to my right wrist and do the same thing and just start with the left side so that both arms are getting the same amount of pull. Just forget to breathe in, exhale. Let's do 3 more. All right. Okay. So let's bring our hands back down into our laps, feet flat on the ground. And I just want you to close your eyes for a minute. Relax your body in your chair. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Feel your shoulders start to drop. And let's just check back in with our body. How does the body feel? Do you have any tightness anywhere? Pain anywhere? Are you beginning to feel warmed up and relaxed? Stretching. Just begin to be aware of your body and how it's feeling. And just keep your eyes closed and concentrate on your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. All right. Let's go ahead and open our eyes, and we're going to do something called good mornings. You guys probably are familiar with these, but normally we would be standing. So you just do these to the best that you can in a chair. So you're just going to bring your arms all the way up to the top, and you're just going to bend down into the chair if you can. You may be sitting where there's a table in front of you, and just down to your toes if you can do it. It's just as comfortable as you can. And gently roll the arms back up the body. And then bring them all the way back up to the top. And gently roll back down. And just imagine kind of like you're gliding your arms and hands up over the body and back to the top. And just inhale down. Just a nice flow. Inhaling and exhaling. Feel the body start to stretch out. Let's do 3 more of these. And last one. All right, you guys are doing good. Let's just get comfortable back into the chair. I'm not sure if you can see my feet on this, but you don't have to take your shoes off. If your shoes are off, that's fine. You can certainly do all of these with your shoes on. Well, I want you just to curl your toes. So you're just gonna, as long as it's comfortable, making sure you don't cramp your feet or anything, just relax and just kind of curl both your toes in, and then just relax the toes out. And curl them in, and relax them out. We'll do this 10 times. Let's do that again. That's 3. So imagine you're kind of inhaling as you curl and exhale as you release. My feet get stiff, so I like to do this one. All right, let's do 2 more. Curling in the toes, release the foot, and last one. All right, the next one, all you're gonna do is point and flex. So just put your leg out. See if you can see my toe here. Here's my foot. So you're just going to, kind of point it up and then just gently flex it out and bring it back in. So straight up, kind of like what we did with our hands. We're just using our feet this time. And you don't have to bring up your feet this high. I'm just doing it so you can see it. So you're inhaling and exhaling and stretching out those feet, which in turn stretches out your leg muscles. Let's do 4 more. All right, put that foot down and just switch to the other foot. Winding and flex. Inhaling and exhaling. Let's do 5 more. All right, go ahead and put your foot down. The next thing we're going to do is just to rotate our ankles. Just do this to the best of your ability and be careful. You're just going to bring your foot out. Start with the right foot. And you're just going to gently rotate clockwise. Do it about 5 times, just nice and slow. Imagine you're kind of following a clock as you rotate your wrists around. All right, and now stop and do counterclockwise. That one's a little bit harder for me. So with the right ankle and foot, just rotate counterclockwise. And just do like 5. Breathing in and exhaling out. All right, now bring that foot down and let's go to the left foot. So you're going to start clockwise, rotating the left foot. Just as nice and slow as you can. We'll do 2 more on that. Okay, and now rotate counterclockwise with the foot. Just stretching out the ankle. Inhaling and exhaling. All right, last one. Okay, so we're going to do a couple of warrior poses, but in the chair. So this is something you can do if you don't want to stand. As far as your feet go, what I do is I would bring out, so I'm going to go facing left first. So I'm going to bring my leg out here. And this back leg, my right leg, is just kind of going to go behind the chair. So you're just kind of twisting, and it looks a little weird. Do it comfortably, don't hurt yourself. And then the first thing you want to do is bring your both arms up, and I want you to gaze at where like the wall and the ceiling meet. So where the wall and the ceiling meet, you just kind of gaze up and hold that pose. We're just going to hold it for like 30 seconds. So you can feel the stretch in the back of the right leg. You feel supported by the chair. And just breathe. All right, now bring your right arm down and your left arm down and just go into warrior 2 pose. So you're just putting the legs out, the arms out straight, and you just want to look straight ahead. Keep your arms as level as you can. And don't forget to breathe. And then drop your right arm down onto your right leg and bring your left arm up and kind of tilt back a little bit if you can comfortably and look at the ceiling with your head. So this would be reverse warrior in a sitting position. So you're going to feel the stretch down the left arm, right leg, and relax your right arm on your right leg. And just breathe in and exhale. And now bring that left arm down. We're going to go back to middle. And then we're just going to do the exact same thing, but on the opposite side. So I'm going to face the right, stretching out the left leg. my right foot is kind of pointed straight, so that when I turn my head and my foot are going the same direction. So we want to do the same thing, both arms up into the air, and our head is going to stare into the, we're going to look into the, where the ceiling and the wall meet, and just gently breathe. Breathing in, breathing out, and then drop those arms down into the middle, chest level, and look straight ahead to the right. Just concentrate on your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Then drop the left arm down into the left leg and raise your right arm, tilting back just a little bit with the head facing straight into the ceiling. And we're back into reverse warrior. And just concentrate on your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. And then bring your arms back down and just go back into center. All right. I definitely feel that. I don't know about you guys. All right. So next we want to just check back in with the body. So sit comfortably in your chair. Hands in your lap. Close your eyes. And let's just begin to breathe in and breathe out. And just check back in with your body. How's your body feeling now? Any tightness or pain? Are you feeling like you worked out a little bit and you're stretching? You're more relaxed? Maybe you're a little looser? Just become aware of your body and breathe. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. All right, we're going to go ahead and start working into our relaxation techniques. All you have to do is sit comfortably in the chair. If you need to sit back, you certainly can. Feet on the floor, hands comfortably in your lap. Keep your eyes closed. Just a better visual when your eyes are closed. And just follow along with my voice. I want you to begin to relax your toes, your feet, and your ankles. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Now begin to relax your shins, your calves, and your knees. And just breathe. And just breathe. Now relax your legs, your hips, and your butt. Breathing in and breathing out. Begin to feel relaxed from your waist all the way down to your toes. Now begin to relax your stomach, your obliques, and your chest. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Relax your lower back and your upper back. And just breathe. And just breathe. Relax your shoulder blades and your shoulders. And send your breath to this part of your body. Now relax your triceps, your biceps, your elbows, and your forearms. And just breathe. And just breathe. Relax your wrists, your hands, and your fingers. Breathing in and breathing out. Begin to feel your shoulders relax. And breathe. Now begin to relax your neck, the base of your head, and the top of your head. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Now relax your jaw, your tongue, your temples, your forehead, and your eyes. And just breathe. Breathing in and breathing out. Should begin to feel relaxed from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. And just breathe. So continuing to sit restful, concentrating on your breath, breathing in and breathing out. We'll begin to do our short guided meditation portion. Meditation is a practice of the mind, a peace within, and a space between our thoughts. It teaches us to live in the present moment. Meditation will not stop our thoughts completely, but it will help you control them. It also creates a mindset, bringing you into present moment and self-awareness. So continuing to sit restful. If you need to stop and take a drink of water, whatever, please do so. And just continuing to keep your eyes closed and relaxed. Our guided meditation portion will be very short, but still beneficial. So go ahead and continue to sit comfortably, eyes closed, or gaze down at the floor, and just concentrate on your breath. How does your body feel now? Become aware of how you feel. Does this feel different from before when you started your practice today? Mentally scan over your body. Start at your head. Work down to your shoulders. Go over your back, your hips, your legs, and your feet. Allowing each part of your body to stay relaxed as you observe how it feels. Breathing in and breathing out. Become aware of your body. Hopefully you're certainly more relaxed than when you started. And just concentrate on your breath. I'll watch the time during this silent meditation. If you're distracted by physical sensations of the music, go back to your breath work and breathe. Concentrating on your breath, breathing in and breathing out, and silently repeat this affirmation. I am happy. I am healthy. I am whole. I am happy. I am healthy. I am whole. I am happy. I am healthy. I am whole. Breathing in and breathing out, and relax. Concentrating on your breath, and silently repeat the affirmation. I am happy. I am healthy. I am whole. Breathing in and breathing out. Let's begin our silent portion. As you sit restful and breathe, concentrating on your affirmation. And I want you to go ahead and release the affirmation. Continuing to sit restful, concentrating on your breath, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And now begin to wiggle your toes and your fingers. This gently wakes up the physical body. Just gently as you sit in your chair, wiggling your toes and your fingers. Breathing in and breathing out. Take your time. When you're ready, you may open your eyes. And I want you to go back to that intention that we did earlier today. So whatever you had set in your mind. So what we're going to do with that intention is we're going to take our hands and start at our chest. And we're going to think of that word and that intention. I just want you to drop it down by your side and bring it up over your head. And think of that intention as you bring it into your heart space. This just rounds out a nice practice. So let's do that again. Just drop your hands in, up over your head, and into your center, your heart space. And namaste. We're done. Great job, guys.